T.S. Morgan made a dihedral toss in Drosophila melanogaster. He crossed the yellow-bodied, white-eyed female with brown-bodied, red-eyed male, and he also intercrossed in between the offsprings of F1 generation. The result was amazing. There was a deviation from Mendel's 9:3:3:1. This was, he told that this was due to the linkage and recombination. So in an experiment, he took the Drosophila melanogaster and the characters, body characters, and the character body color, brown body color and yellow body color, two type of the characters. One body colors, brown body color controlled by the factor y plus, and yellow having the factor y. Here this is the dominant or wild type. Dihybrid are wild type and other recessive trait. Dominant trait and the recessive trait. Dominant trait is also known as the wild type. So in relation to the body color, having two type of the traits, one is the brown body color and the yellow body color. This is the controlled by brown body color was controlled by the factor y plus and yellow y. And in the same way, eye color, red eye color having the W plus, while white eye color having the white, this is the recessive. And the same way, wing size, normal size by F plus, while monitor by the M. So here, in case of the Drosophila, male consists of X and X chromosome. Female consists of X and X chromosome, while male consists of the X and the Y chromosome. Male consists of X and Y chromosome as human being, while female having X and X chromosome. So here, in case of the Y chromosome, this is the chromosomal structure of sex chromosomes of the male Drosophila. Two chromosomes are there. One is this is the X chromosome and this is the Y chromosome. Actually, X chromosome contains the traits S, Y, W and the M. Y, this is the controls the body color, and this is the W, eye color, and M are the wing size. While Y chromosome do not have such gene which determine these characters. So these are the locus. On the locus, this Y gene is located, and yes, W gene is located, and having the M gene is the location. But Y chromosome has no such genes. And it's that location of Y and W, both genes are very close to each other. So genes which are very close to each other, and genes which are the tightly linked. The genes are Y, and W. These are the tightly linked. Tightly linked. So in this condition, when genes are the tightly linked, the proportion of recombination is the very low, means having the low recombination. When genes are the tightly linked, there is a very low recombination, and when the genes are loosely linked, in this condition, in very high recombination. So here Y and W genes both are the very close. So in this condition, there is a very low proportion of the recombination, while in between the Y and M there is the very high recombination. Later we will discuss. First we are discussing only one class, in which we made a class in between the two characters. We consider two characters in one class. We consider only the two characters and which are found here in between these genes. We are making a class here. And later in another experiment we make another class is here. So first this is the A. This is the A and this one is the B. So in this way we are making a cross. Now we see in case of the parents. So this is the female. Female having which type of the chromosome? Females having X and X chromosome, while male having X and the Y chromosome. Female having this Y means yellow and white. Yellow body color and the white eye color. This is the character. And it is crossed with the male having brown body color with red eye color. So the cross is made in between the individuals having. So first we can see that this is the female having yellow body color and white eye color. Female having the yellow body color and the white eye color. In case of the male what happens? Male characters that having Y plus, that is related to the brown, having the brown body color and W plus means red eye color. The cross is made between. So what happens here? This is the genotype. This is the gene. These are the sex chromosome. This is sex chromosome, and this is also sex chromosome. And in case of the female, these are the genes. Genes are found on the X, both X chromosome. And here genes are the factors are found only on the X chromosome. Y chromosome do not have any such factors. So during the formation of the gamete, when they produce the gametes, they produce only one type of the gametes. They produce only one type of the gamete, and because these are the homogamous, as in case of the human being, while male producing two type of the gametes. One is two type of the gamete having the X chromosome, and this having the Y chromosome, having the Y chromosome and having the X chromosome. When they make recombination, the individuals of the F1 generation, what are they? Y, W and the Y plus and the W plus here. And males, what are produced? Y, W, and they having no any such type of the factor is there. So what is the property of what characters having the offsprings of the F1 generation? Y, this is the dominant, over this one is the, and this is our dominant over this one is the. So what characters having the females? Y plus means what is produced here, what is the phenotype? Y plus means this will be brown bodied, and plus having the brown and the red eyed. Brown body, this will have brown bodied, and red eye. This having Y, this is the Y having the Y responsible for the brown, and this is the Y plus W plus, and it is responsible for the red eye coloration. So this is the female, and male having the males. Which features having the male? The males having such type of Y and the W. Y means that having the yellow and the white. This is yellow and white. Yellow and means yellow body and white. Yellow body and the white color. This is a cross is made. These such type of the offsprings are produced into the F1 generation. And when a cross is made in the individuals of the F1 generation, there are the possible type of the gametes. 4 types of the gametes are produced in case of the female. These are the X chromosome, this is X chromosome, and this is also X chromosome, and this is X chromosome, this is the Y chromosome. So 4 type of the gametes are produced here, produced by the female, while only 2 type of the gametes are produced by the male. What happens there during the formation of the gamete? If there is no recombination. You have studied during the meiosis cell division. What happens? You see that having the such type chromosomes are there, sister chromatids are there. These are the sister chromatids are there. And what exchange between the chromosome takes place in between non-sister chromatid? Recombination or the crossing over takes place in between the non-sister chromatid. So here what happens? This will be one type of this gamete will be produced here. This such type of the chromosome will be there, and in the other cases there exchange then exchange of the chromosome takes place here. Exchange will be here takes place, and exchange will be here takes place. So here Y W in one chromosome, and another having the Y and plus Y and W plus is here. Another same type. This is the Y will exchange from the W. So this will be Y plus and the W type of the. So these two different type of the gametes will produce here, and here this is same type of the gamete that Y plus W and Y plus W are produced here. Here you see that same type of the gametes are produced. They are this segregated from the each other. So what are the? These are the F2. These are the F2. What happens in case of the F2? To find here what the possibilities of the when this X chromosome, while this is this chromosome, the gamete having this chromosome may be fused. This is we will write here. This is 1, 2, 3 and the 4. 4 type gametes are there. 4 type gametes are there. 50% of possibilities to this gamete may be fused with this gamete. This type of gametes or this type of the gametes. During fertilization, this gamete may be fused either by this type gametes or this type of the gametes. Or gametes having such type chromosome or this type of the chromosome having there. So here first possibilities is there. This is YW and this YW is there, and this fused with this one is this having. So there is this is X chromosome and this is Y chromosome. This is X chromosome, this is X chromosome, X chromosome and the X chromosome. These are the X chromosomes here. So here the fused X chromosome is there and both are the same type. X chromosomes are there and this segment is there. And other possibilities when this fused with this one is they produce such type of the gamete. Y, this is the this having YW, this one is the female gamete and this is the male gamete, and they produce X and the Y chromosomes are there. Second possibilities are there. Now see this gamete. Now you see possibilities of this. What is the then possibilities for this may fuse with this gamete or this gamete. This gamete may fuse either such type gametes having the X chromosome or gametes having the Y chromosome. Both possibilities may be there. If fuse this one is the having the X and X chromosomes are there. They having Y and W plus, Y and W plus, and others will have Y and W here, Y and W here in this condition. And here this if this fuse, if this female gamete fuse with the male gamete having the Y chromosome, such type of the recombination is possible, that Y and the W plus here this is Y chromosome and this is the X chromosome. And in this situation, now see next possibility. This chromosome may fuse gametes may be fused either by this gametes or this gamete. So in this situation, this third position, third conditions comes here X and the X is here, and in other cases that having here this situation is there. And next possibilities, this fourth number of gametes may fuse either by this gamete or by this gamete. Then what possibilities are there? When this gametes, when female gamete having X chromosome fuse with the male gamete having X chromosome, such type of the possibilities may be there. And if this fused with the Y chromosome, such type of possibilities may be there. So here X, X and X here is X and the Y is there, X is there and the Y is there. So in this way we find that 8 individuals are produced here. Out of 8, these four are these are the male. Sorry, these are the female. Female, and these are the males. These are the males and these are the females. Then what possibilities are there? Number of individuals 4 are produced here. And in case of the Mendel's, in Mendel's dihabil class, what number we are getting? 16. And here we are getting only 8 individuals are there. Only we are getting 8 individuals are there, and in Mendel's having the 16 individuals are. And they, so in as Mendel told that they are the segregation of the genes, segregation of the factors, but here the gametes are the factors do not segregate as told by the Mendel. Why they do not segregate? Because of the linkage and the recombination. Both are the factors why they do not segregate. So if you want to see the phenotype of this individual, in first case, in case of the females, in case of the female, what first we are getting as just like their parents, YW and the YW, they having the yellow body. This is the yellow body and white eye. Yellow body, white, and in case of the male, this is the what features are there? Yellow body, white eye. Yellow body, white eye females, and the white eye yellow body males. This is the female and the males. This is the female and this is the male. What progeny we are getting here? And next, this is the one possibility is there. One is here, and second, this is the this is Y is there. So here Y means yellow. This is also yellow body, and here W plus is there. W plus means red, and red eyed. And in case of the male, this is the yellow. Y means yellow body, and W plus is there, and red eye. And third, you see Third, this one is the Y. Here Y plus means brown. Brown body and white eyed. Female in the same way in third. This is the Y plus is there and W is there. So Y plus means brown body and white eyed. And next, and this is the fourth. Now this is the fourth. In case of the fourth, what we are getting last. This is the this is the dominant. This is recessive. Y plus dominant and Y recessive. W plus dominant and W is recessive. So Y plus means brown. This is the brown body and W plus means red eye, and here Y plus and W plus means that having the brown body and red eye. So these are the phenotype, these are the individuals are produced, males and the females. So here in this case the parental type is 98.7%. This what we are getting, that is the in this what is result, parental type and recombinant. Recombinant type here. Recombinant type here. Here 98.7. Here 98.7%, and here 1.3%. We find here their parental type is very much, while recombinant type is very less. Why? Because they are tightly packed. Both the genes are tightly packed. So due to the tightly packing of the factors, the parental type is more and while recombinant type is very less. Next time we will see another possibility when we see the cross in between the red eye colored and white eye color, and the wing sizes normal and the miniature. Next time we will discuss another possibilities when we will find that they are the loosely packed. Both genes are the loosely packed. Both factors are loosely packed. So in this way we find why the deviations from Mendelian takes place. So there is no segregation of the genes.